Alright, January 1st, 2022. Here's a look at the garage, and in particular, I want to show you guys this little flaw in the car real quick. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, but there's this little annoying gap right here. That's because there are a couple tabs that are broken, but no fret. I do have a replacement part, the little clip in there, to go ahead and replace it, and hopefully everything sits nice and flush again. Just like this. Let's see. Just like that. Because it's been sagging here on the passenger side for a while. I figured it's time to go ahead and fix that. So as you can tell, the driver's side doesn't quite do that. But here on the passenger side it does. Pretty annoying. I mean, I notice it, and I guarantee you most others probably don't even really notice it, but it's enough to bother me. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So let's go ahead and jack the car up and I'll show you guys what I got. But here is the bracket and the part number if you guys want to go ahead and do this yourself if you're having this issue. But here is our little Mitsubishi part, OEM, so it should work perfectly fine. But yeah, so that's where I got it, and I actually bought this off Amazon and had it delivered, so there you go. Forgot to mention, you might want to stay to the very end of this video. I'll be telling you guys some nice exciting news as far as the car goes and 2022, or just go ahead and fast forward to the end. Either way, you're gonna find out eventually, but I promise it is exciting news. But real quick, one last little look of that sag. Yeah, you can totally tell. Not the best of looks. Right there in the headlight, you can see how the bumper actually droops below the headlight right there. Not crazy noticeable, but like I said, when you look at the car all the time, you definitely notice the difference. Look at that, nice and flush, even with the headlight. And then once again on this side, a little droopy, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So we actually only have one tab that's all the way intact. And that's this far inner one. So see how it's got that sharp corner on there? This one's worn. This one's snapped off. And so is that one. So that's what our issue is. Now if you take a look at this box, the one in here, they're all nice and sharp, gonna hold your bumper the way it's supposed to. So all that's holding this clip on is this one Phillips head right there, another one right here, and then this guy right here is a 10mm bolt. So remove all three of those and it looks like this thing should come off. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, the bolt down here is a 10mm. Comes right out. Let's see if this pops off like I think. It sure does. So real quick, here is your comparison. Here is the new one. As you guys can see, those tabs here at the top, nice and sharp. And then here's the one that just came off of the car. As you can see, those are all broken, worn, and then this last one was the only one intact. So This should do the trick, and hopefully we'll have a happy bumper. So just to give you guys the in-depth view, doesn't really mount to anything in there. Those are just blind holes, except for the bolt one, of course. It's keyed, so the back of this just goes ahead and snaps in. Just like so. Go ahead and grab our 10mm bolt. Get that all lined up in there. Alright, bolt in. 2 Phillips head screws in there. And we have 4 new teeth to go ahead and sync up with this bumper. And there you have it. That sealed up our little issue with the flushness of our bumper. Pretty happy with that. Now for those of you who stayed to the end of the video just because you like watching the channel, I'm not going to actually fully drop this vehicle back on the ground just yet, and that's because I'm going to go ahead and start my turbo build process. So I'm going to split this up between a couple videos, a couple days here and there. I'm in no rush to go ahead and get this done. I want to do it done. I want to get it done the right ways, take my time, do my research, and kind of go through everything kind of in depth for as much as I can. Fingers crossed I don't run into any big issues, but yeah, so for tonight I'm going to call this a video here. This is how you go ahead and fix the little annoying gap that you guys may get from removing and reinstalling your bumper over time. There is wear and tear there, but that definitely does work. Go ahead and buy your replacement clips if you need to. Now as far as the turbo build goes, I'll have to keep you guys updated on that as well. But yeah, so that is why I will not be dropping this car anytime soon, and I'm going to plan a couple days to go ahead and get all that fancy stuff right there into the car. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns in regards to this portion of the video, please lay a comment down below and I'll try to address them for you guys. So until next time, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.